Hi, welcome back to another session on drawing tutorials. In this session, let's see how to draw fish. As you know, there are variety of fishes available. Normally, the children learn drawing starting with drawing a fish because it is the easiest thing to draw. Generally, the fish structure will be like, they have a body, like two curves, like this, and two fins and a tail and the eye. So this will define the basic structure of a fish. Now let's see how to refine this and to differentiate with different kinds of fishes. Now let's start with a simple fish. So you have the body and the tail and a simple fins like this. And fishes have this large eyes, and you can have different kinds of mouth. Now they have one opening here for breathing, and normally they have a texture. You can draw the fin lines here, another fin lines here. And let's see now how to draw few specific types of fishes. First one I would like to take as a goldfish. Goldfish has got a little rounded body compared to the normal fish. So they are more rounded like this. And they have the small projection at the neck. And they have a large tail. They have a very flowing kind of tail and one fin which is flowing like this on top and two fins at the bottom. And if you color it, it'll look very nice. So the fins have to be flowing, the tail has to be flowing, the body should be little rounded. So that defines the goldfish. Now one more popular fish which most of the children like is the clownfish. Now this is the fish which is used in the film Finding the Nemo. Now they also have a little rounded body, but little longer compared to the goldfish. And their tail and the fin are all rounded. You know, they're like this, and they have this design on their body which is in orange color. So if you color it with orange, it will look nice. And even their fins are rounded like this. And this is a in this particular thing is in orange color. So if you just put it in orange color, it will look nice. and even the tail is in a darker color. So this is a typical clownfish. Now keep trying, keep practicing, and get the proportions right to differentiate from one type of fish to another. Thank you.